Now, a lot of the time, you'll see there's a lot of demonization between sports bike riders, more so, and sometimes the naked riders. They often look down as the cruisers, being the older gentleman's motorcycle, and not real bikes. And obviously, this argument goes both ways. There's a lot of Harley boys and not that will say the same about sports bike riders. There's no point of having elitism in motorcycling. We're all riding two-wheeled things. Everyone puts the same risk every day, and it's just not worth it. Like, a lot of the time you hear you shouldn't buy a cruiser bike because they're quote-unquote gay or etc. like that, because I've been told this before, and when I used to work in the bakery, everyone used to bully me because I was the only one who bought a cruiser bike. I don't buy my bike because you don't like it.